morning, guys. Look at this beautiful dress that I got from Mango. I snagged it when there was a sale, 30% off. I ended up paying, I believe, 79. No, it was 79 originally, so 30%, I think it was 59. I love this dress so much. I usually don't like to show, not usually, I don't like to show my arms and my legs. That's why sometimes I'm always in pants or I'm always in long dresses. I don't know, I do feel long dresses make me look like a dame, you know, just like, I don't know. Actually, I feel like long dresses make me look a lot taller than I am. I'm 5'3", by the way. I don't know, I feel like long dresses just like give me that look of like, ooh, she's a lady kind of look. So it's this beautiful pistachio colored dress. It's like button all the way with a little slit going on, and then my TB shoes that match this dress. It's like the perfect combination. I did have a bag that matched it, but I borrowed it from a brand. I just returned it. So yeah, but it's okay. It will be too matchy anyways. So I'm just gonna carry my little Bali bag. I'm listening to Dr. Bush-Lipton about programming a mind and stuff. It's about 2:37. Actually, a friend just texted me. He's like, oh, I got a table at the Crown. If you want to meet me. I was like, sure, why not? So I'm gonna go ahead and go have a drink with him. I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day, and I'm probably gonna call Avia to take me to the rooftop. I am starving. I have a papaya. I'm gonna cut it in half, eat half, and then head over, because papaya is really good to like cleanse your liver and all that stuff. I will be doing a liver and gallbladder cleanse soon. I just need to order my Epsom salt. Yeah, that's about it. That's the only thing that I need. I think it's just Epsom salt with olive oil. And I've been drinking my celery juice. I haven't been drinking it every day, sadly. I would love to do it. As you guys know, I did the castor oil cleanse. Plus, I was sick last week, so I also did like a juice cleanse where I only had juices like the day that I was sick. I only drank like celery juice, carrot juice, kale juice, whatever. All those juices. And then I was, last week when I weighed myself before I started doing the cleanse, I was 120 pounds. And then I checked this morning, I'm 114, guys. 114 pounds. So I've lost 7 pounds in a week. I think I did it in a matter of like, you know, like 4 days. But I literally lost like 7 pounds in a week. And that's pretty awesome. I was thinking about doing a water cleanse. Because I need to get down to like 110 pounds. It's like my ideal weight. 114 is not so bad. Actually, 115 is kind of like my max. 120, I don't like 120 because I feel uncomfortable in my body if I go up to 120. So I would say 115 is usually my max, but perfect. But like the perfect for me would be 110. That's where I feel the most comfortable, because when I'm 110, I lose a lot of weight from my boobs, and then I feel more confident in my body because my boobs were like pretty big. And what I've been doing the fast. So I stopped eating like generally around 8 p.m. and then I don't eat the next day until 11. And I've kind of like been eating very, very, very healthy too. I've kind of like been eating a salad pretty much all week. Although yesterday I had an omelet. Hello guys, today is Wednesday the 19th. As you can see, I am in the cutest dress ever. This is a Zimmermann knockoff. And I just bought it yesterday for like 60 bucks at Bloomingdale's. And the brand is called Aqua. That's honestly, that's all they make. They make Zimmermann knockoff. And I am here for it because $800, and they also had it in white. I bought the white also. I wore it yesterday to go see my friend. How cute. And then I wore it with those white shoes from Zara. They're like perfect. I was gonna wear them, but I think I'm gonna do a lot of walking today, so I want comfortable shoes. I mean, they're super comfortable and I can walk in them all day, but I just love my TB ones so much. I think these are like my favorite purchase for the summer in terms of shoes, or the TB shoes. They're like the cutest thing that you'll ever see in your life. And I'm just, it's funny, like the minute these shoes came out, I wanted them. And I just couldn't justify spending the money, the $400, but I'm happy that I found them for less than 200, 173, so good enough. But one of my clients, Lori, she's the CEO of Eden Body Works, so she's doing this trolley ride around the city, and she's invited me. I am so excited. Oh, I'm happy that I just turned on this camera because I just remembered to wear perfume. Like, how dare I? But my favorite perfume is the Maison Francis Courdigen. Oh my goodness, Grand Soir. And Baccarat is everyone's favorite. Oh my god, this, I like this because it's like a little more sexy and mysterious, but this is everyone's favorite. This is the body oil actually, so I need to I'm gonna go and get the bigger bottle. Guys, if you wear this perfume, like, a man would not want to get away from you. Like, I smell so good that every time I hug someone or I make out with someone, they just can't get enough of me because that perfume just like smells so freaking good. All right, Debbie's texting me. Place, I love my building. I wish I was like in the front building, because from the front building I would get a view of the Empire State Building, which I'm about to see in about 2 seconds. So yeah, I could sit right here. So if I was in one of those buildings facing First Avenue, I would have like an amazing view, but our building is in the back. Oh, no, there's grass over there. So it's funny how what you want changes, because before I thought I wanted like a garden. I mean, I still want a garden at some point, but right now I think like a view is more important to me than anything. Hi guys, look at this gorgeous queen over here. That's look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Alright, you have to give us a lead.
This is from Rent the Runway.
Oh.
It is Mara Hoffman.
She fancy, huh?
Use my code MonroeS100 for $50 off 2 months of unlimited Rent the Runway service.
I need to use her code now.
You do. It'll only be like
Look at the back.
$70 a month for 2 months.
That's not bad at all, actually. I should do that.
You should. I think you would love it.
So we are at the RH rooftop, and as you can see, we have a view of constructions. Have you been to the Standard?
This is my first time coming up here.
You want to text her and tell her, like...
Photographer extraordinaire.
I'm just regular Joe.
No.
Guys.
I don't think so, Bob.
No regular here.
Regular Joe.
You're everywhere.
Depends on who you ask.
Guys, we finally found
The trolley.
We're finally in the right place.
We were at the wrong rooftop.
Lord have mercy.
We're just like chilling there waiting for everyone, not realizing. Is it on the right side to get in? And here's the trolley. Is it on the right side or the left? Oh yeah. We made it.
I think Kayla is meeting us there as well, and that's at Washington Park. So I loved Paris. My husband and I spent some time there. It's a beautiful arch. I'd love for you all to take some pictures there. Thank you to Joe for being our resident photographer this afternoon, although everybody on here. But really, it's just an afternoon for you to have some fun. This is not an eat-in event. This is personally by Lori and of course our husband Brian, your bartender and resident DJ. Our driver Al is going to take us through. We have a couple of stops in the city first. The goal is to go over to Brooklyn for those who live over there, do a stop in Dumbo, get a few cute photos under the bridge, and then we will, for those of you who want to come back, we'll end at High Line a couple blocks from here.
This is where they shot Friends in the West Village. It's funny, I was just watching Friends with a friend, and then he was like, have you been to the location? And I'm like, I'm not sure, but yeah, me and Manuel, we shot here like a million times, so I've definitely been here. I think that might be the cafe where it used to be. No, probably not. Here's Manuel back here. Here's everyone else. Oh, everyone is so cute. I love it. Are you going? We're in Washington Square Park.
Washington Square Park.
My favorite park, because it reminds me so much of L'Arc de Triomphe. Hi.
What's happening? What's going on?
Yes, who decided to join us? Hello. Yes. How do we know?
Pop it, lock it. It's in my system now.
As you can see, she's a nut.
Everybody that's done, we can start heading back.
I need to put out a hat and like mix, collect some coins for my name.
Oh my god. It's when I was on a date here, and then this is like a homeless guy who's like, I was going to tell you guys, what is the best nation in the entire world?
Let's do it. We'll work through it.
It's a donation! Hey guys, the ladies are here. Hi, Simi. Simi's looking so French. And Dev is looking like Olivia Pope.
Yes. You're looking like what?
No idea.
She looks like Olivia Pope in the white.
Actually, yeah.
She looks like somebody from Suits.
I was gonna say that Jessica Pearson.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh!
I kind of walk like her sometimes. I'd be like,
Ooh, get it.
That is true. She's always in black. In the show, yeah. Mostly always in black. Yeah. Hello guys, we're now at Hotel Chantel for Denton. Miss Gold is here. And classy lady over here. And the other ladies are in the classroom. Hello guys, happy Sunday. So I am at La Pacolia Bianca and I am having brunch with Simi. I just got done shooting with Monroe in Soho and I just took the train up here. Yeah, I think you've seen Simi from my previous vlog or in this vlog. I'm not sure yet if I'm splitting the vlog yet. But yeah, we're having brunch and then what else? We're probably gonna go to like a cafe or something and try to get some work done. So I've never been to this place, so I'm trying out new places in this city because usually we always go back to the same spots. And for the rest of the summer, I want us to try out new places pretty much every time we go out. So how are you? Good, thank you. You look wonderful.
Thank you. So do you.
I am loving the blondes. Oh, blondes, they do have more fun. I love it.
Thank you. How are you? This was just gorgeous.
Isn't it? Foodies here, guys. Got Parmesan potatoes, scrambled. We both got the same thing because it looks so delish. Just smashed avocado, scrambled eggs, and some mixed green. I'm having a Bellini. Yeah. Ready to eat. We're good. It's good? Hello guys, we're going out in the Flatiron District, my favorite area to hang out in the summertime. And see me's here. It's beautiful. And we've got Italy across the street. I am so tempted to go and get some pistachio gelato. And guess what we have here? The Flatiron Building itself. Very majestic. I love it. It's funny, I used to sit here and say that I wanted to live on this building right across the street. But pretty soon, I mean, I do live right around the corner, so yeah. Not so far, because this is 23rd, I live on 20th, so close enough. But soon enough, I'm just gonna be right here across the street, and it's gonna be really nice. And then my next stop is the Upper East Side. That's not my final destination for living in, right?
I agree. Upper East Side is where it's at.
I'm gonna be on 2nd Avenue and, or maybe like 82nd or 84th Street. Do not come to my house, by the way. I'm just.
And you're gonna be at the penthouse. Right?
Yeah, I'm gonna be at the penthouse, so you can't get up anyway. So, and then you're not gonna have the number of the building, so.
Exactly. And you have to go through the doorman and all that
process. So I'm good. You know, having a good time.
Yeah.
See you guys later. Hello guys, we are at the RH rooftop. I didn't know, Restoration Hardware, the furniture store. They have a rooftop in the store in the Meatpacking District, and it's so lovely. Hi, Manuel here. We just had lunch. The salads are really good, and we're just like sitting, just relaxing. It's a little windy, which is very nice. Just getting a nice breeze over here, and I'm in my favorite dress right now. This linen dress from Mango. It's on sale for like $39. So if you want it, I'll leave a link below for that. But it's beautiful. Mid-packing. This is a rooftop. This is the Gazel board across the street, and they have a rooftop up there, which we've been to. Their drinks are really good. Such a beautiful. This is inside the place. It's like dripped with a lot of chandeliers, marble tables. It's like a blogger's dream, really. Guess who decided to come see me? Yeah, there you go.
It's big, huh?
I can't stand her, I swear. But happy 4th of July. And we are ready to go get something to eat. I should probably leave this on, actually. I said I should probably just leave the AC on. But that's too much electricity.
Yeah.
I can't do that.
Your Carnet bill is gonna be like.
We don't pay electricity, but still.
You don't pay electricity?
Everything is included.
Damn, that's nice. Especially in the summertime. I'll be running the shit out of my air conditioner. I know it's about to be $200